So now we will see what is typecasting in a Python. Conversion of one data type into another data type known as typecasting. As I have told you before that in Python we don't need to specify the data type. It will specify the data type according to the value of that variable. So here we will use typecasting. Suppose you are taking a input from the user, so he is giving the input like integer value, but you want there that it should be a string value. So in that case you will use this typecasting function, which will take by default only string values. So here in Python, four inbuilt functions for typecasting. First is integer, float, bool and string. So we will see one by one with the help of example. So first we will talk about the int. Int, as you can understand with name only, we can change any data type into a integer data type. So now we will see the example. Yes, so suppose I am taking one variable like master and taking one value like float. So if you want to see the data type, you can print like master and you can see this is float. So here we are taking one variable and we are going to use typecasting function like int and just passing that value. Now if you will see the data type of C, you can see that is now 1, and you can also see the type of this C, so that is integer now. So here we just use int function to change the float data type into an integer. Now the next we will see the float. So float, to convert any data type into a float data type, so we will see. So here I'm taking like 1.1 only, and we are just taking one variable and changing it to in a float and passing here. So if now we will see the type of C, it will be a float. And if you will print the C, you can see here it should be 1.0. I hope you understand this line. Now the next is boolean, to convert any data type into a bool data type. So now we will see the bool data type. So here suppose I am taking one variable like 1. If we are going to change it, like I am doing like bool and passing 1, so 1 is true. So if we will print the C, it will give us true. You can also check the type, this that is bool. So now the last inbuilt function, which is a string, to convert any data type into a string data type. So here I am taking like 1 and we are changing like STRA. So now if we will print the C, you can see here it is like this, and if we are going to check the data type of C, so it will be string. Yes, so I hope you understand each of the line of this video. If you have any query, kindly let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel as I am posting daily videos on Python tutorial. So here I just talk about the typecasting, which is here we just need to change one data type into another data type. So here basically 4 inbuilt typecasting function. I have showed you the example also. You can also check the description box for the documentation of this video tutorial. Thank you so much guys for watching.